Hi guys, Solidworks here. Today I want to talk about the indent feature in Solidworks. The indent function is a useful tool for creating features based on the way bodies interact with each other. So here I have created a two-body model. This is a disc with a shaft going through the middle. Now the two bodies do not merge into each other, as you can tell from the solid bodies folder here. In this case, I want to create a pocket feature on the disc that is in the shape of the shaft. So let's go into the indent feature. Go to Insert, Features, Indent. We are prompted to choose a target body. Since we want the pocket feature to be on the disc will be the target body. So let's pick on the disc. Next, we are asked to select between keeping selections or removing selections. Let's set that as keep for the moment. You will see what this does later. We will be using the shaft as a body that creates a pocket. So in this case, the shaft will be the tool. It is important to take note of where you pick the shaft. If we want the pocket to be created on the short end of the shaft, we need to pick the short end. Next, select a wall thickness for the pocket wall. We will set that as 10. And lastly, if necessary, we can set the clearance between the pocket wall and the shaft. Let's set that to 5. And click OK. In order to see this more clearly, I have prepared a drawing with a cross section. So let's do some quick dimensioning. You can see that the wall thickness is 10. And the clearance is 5. Now let's go back to edit the feature. You can see that we have the ability to reverse the direction of the clearance. So let's try that. And let's go into the drawing to see what happens. You can see that the walls of the pocket actually eats into the shaft, creating an interference. So let's reverse back the clearance. If we want the pocket to be on the long side of the shaft, we need to pick on the long side. So let's clear the fill and select the long side. So what happens if we choose the remove selection option? So let's pick on that. So in this case, you can see that the indent feature now appears on the side opposite to the point of selection. If we pick on the cut option, what happens is that the intersecting region between the tool and the target body will be removed from the target body with an indicated clearance here. So let's take a look at the drawing. That's all for this video. As usual, please feel free to comment below. I will see you in the next video.